Okay, today's question then is on recurring decimals and how we're turning them into fractions. So let's give this one a go. So what we've got to do here is express this decimal here, this recurring decimal, 1.235 is the recurring part, right? So 1.2353535. We're going to turn that there into a fraction. So jot this one down quickly on your piece of paper, have a go, and we'll go through the solution in a couple of seconds. Okay, stop writing, bruv. Okay, now, with this one here then, I would always start with writing my recurring decimal as x. So, like this. We've got x is equal to 1.2 and then 3.5. But, instead of writing the two dots up here, see? Instead of writing that, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to write out the repeating part 3 times instead. So look, that's what I'm going to do there. I'm going to put it as 1.2 and then 3.5, 3.5, 3.5. Okay? Now, the next thing I'd do is then multiply this number by 10. So I'd put 10x out. So 10x would be 12 point. And then 3.5, 3.5, 3.5. Dot, 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 dot. Then I'll go for 100x. So 100x. Remember, for 100x, yes, you're not timesing this number by 100, you're timesing x by 100. Or you could times this number by 10, whichever, okay? So I'm just going to go back to the original one and times that by 100. So that's going to be 123.535353. So let's pop that down. So we'll have 123 point and then 535353. Dot, 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 dot. We'll keep that going. And one more time, so 1000x, and that's going to give me 1235.3535 and 35. There we go. Okay, now what I want to do is go through all the numbers that we've just created here and look for the ones where the numbers after the decimal point match up. So if you look at 10x and look at the number here, and for 1000x, look at the number here, what you'll see is that after the decimal point, we've got 353535, and for this one here, 353535. This is what we want to see, okay? So now we're going to take these two numbers, we're going to pop them on the left here. So we're going to have 1000x, so 1000x is equal to, and that was 1235 point, and then 353535, dot, dot, dot. And then let's pop the 10x down underneath it. And that's 12.353535. Now, you've done simultaneous equations. We're going to do something very similar to that. We're going to take away these two values here, okay? Now, if we take them away, we've got 1000x take away 10x, which is nice and simple, right? That's just 990x. Now, on this side, we've got this number here, 1235.353535, and look what we're taking away. Can you see the decimals match up? So when you take these away, they're gone, okay? So there's nothing left. So in effect, what we're actually doing is just taking away 1, 2, 3, 5, and 12, okay? So what's that going to leave us with? That's going to leave us with 1, 2, 2, 3. And then, remember, we're looking for x as a fraction, right? Our job was to turn this into a fraction. So now we just solve this equation, bring that 990 over to the other side, and we will have 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's rubbish. Let me get rid of that. There you go. 1, 2, 2, 3 over 990. So like that over there, right? And then you can double check that in your calculator if you are an iGCSE student, because you're allowed calculators for both your exams, but not for GCSEs, unfortunately. So I'm going to cheat here. I'm just going to go 1, 2, 2, 3 over 990. And that doesn't simplify. So there we go. Bam. And that gives me the right answer. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? And so that's that. Perfect. Now then, that's our recurring decimal question done. Stay tuned. We'll put out plenty more for you to practice because it's one that's definitely going to come up in whatever maths exams you are sitting. Okay. Until then, take care, do some maths, and I'll see you again in the next video.